Hey everyone, welcome back. I got another video for you. Before we get started, let's do that usual housekeeping. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and notification button to get all the updates and all the videos that I put out. Now, this is a disclaimer.
Disclaimer. Persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. All information has been supplied by law enforcement agencies and is considered by law to be public domain information. Body-worn camera footage has been edited for length and in accordance with YouTube community guidelines while maintaining a journalistic focus.
Now, this happened on 4/28/2024. No, this is not a Boca Bash video, but this happened in Hillsborough County, Florida, at a boat ramp where a gentleman and his wife was coming back, and the FWC was performing safety inspections. And I'll just let you look at this one because this is a doozy. So let's go ahead and take a look at it.
Okay. So, I didn't know that. How you doing this evening?
What's going on, man?
Just
How you doing?
Doing quick safety equipment check.
Yeah, I got everything on there.
Okay, if you could just show it to me real quick, I'll let you guys get out of here.
You're not really letting me get out of here if you got to be sure. What do you want to see?
Safety kit, your safety equipment.
All right, I got a whistle, I got some life jackets.
How you doing tonight?
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm Officer Vard, Florida Fish and Wildlife. Just 2 life jackets.
Yes.
I got about 5.
Okay.
Try to do things right, sir.
All right. You got a throwable on board?
Oh, what's that?
Throwable?
A throwable? I think I do. Let me go through about... I don't have a throwable. Like a seat cushion?
Yeah, it's the little square cushions, the Coast Guard.
Yeah, I don't have a throwable. But
Okay. So you gotta have either one of the life rings or a throwable on board. How long's the boat?
17.
17. So anything 16 or over, by Coast Guard regs, you got to have that throwable on board. Okay. And the reason for it is if you've ever tried to throw one of those life jackets, it's like throwing a pissed off duck. It doesn't go very far.
Yeah, I
okay.
understand.
If you could, while that's open, if you could just grab the fire extinguisher for me. Thanks, sir. Awesome. And then you got a whistle or horn on board?
Yep.
Perfect.
I got me a wiener whistle. Got a wiener whistle. I got a blower. I think the blower's in air horn inside there. Oh, had a whistle. Blow horn.
Where'd you guys head to tonight?
Oh, we're just out fishing.
On the river.
Okay. What were you fishing with?
Not fishing.
She just said you were fishing.
No, we had friends that were out fishing right on the island out there before 75.
Oh, okay.
I know I got a blowhorn.
You guys stay on the river today?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty blustery earlier today.
Mm-hmm.
What time did you guys head out?
We've been out since, what, 12:30? About 12:30.
Okay. Yeah, how was the river with the wind today?
Oh, not bad at all, to be honest. A lot of our friends were like, "Oh, it's gonna be so windy."
I know I hit up Lake Medard earlier today and Lake Thanona Assassin. It was blustery out there.
Oh, I can imagine. I don't do a lot of lake stuff. I'm always on the river, so I could imagine. I usually have a blowhorn. It's somewhere here. It might actually be in the back in my toolbox. Usually I'm fishing. Obviously you can tell. I'm an active fisherman. I usually have about 3 tackle boxes. besides the blowhorn, what else do you need?
Well, if you could just pop the cooler for me.
Well, you know, I'll pop the cooler for you because there's nothing in it because we're not fishing.
Nope, no worries.
Boom.
Appreciate it. If you could just pop that one for me.
My dad's diabetes machine's going on.
All right, I appreciate it.
And I got a live well back here. You can feel free to look at, which is empty as well.
Nope, you're good. I appreciate it.
And this over here is my
Nope, you're good.
toolbox for
All right.
anything else I need.
All right, you got your vessel registration?
I do. And it's legal. September. Which I don't know why you would need this at the boat ramp, because you're...
Well, I was planning on scratching you out a warning for not having all your safety gear.
I know, I'm just going to give a hard time. Oh, shoot. That's my truck.
Y'all from the area?
Yeah, we're right up the street.
I think it's in my other fishing box. Nope. Yep.
Make sure you don't lose your truck one, because
No.
all right, let me, I'm gonna run back to the truck. Are you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, I can get your info off. Well, the reason I was asking is because if I'm writing you a warning, I got to put your name on the warning.
Okay,
So if you weren't, I would have to request your ID.
Oh, okay. I'm just kind of
So how much have you had to drink tonight?
a little bit.
What's a little bit?
I don't know, I've been out on the boat.
You seem pretty confused about this whole situation.
I'm
You're slurring your words.
I'm just confused with what's going on right now.
Okay. Do me a favor. Step up here for me.
For what reason?
Well, I'm going to go talk to you by my truck. My truck's right over here. We're just going over there. So where are you guys coming from tonight? I got one person saying you're fishing. I got you saying you're not fishing.
No, I was out with my... I just came from Jerry's.
Okay.
I came from Alafaya from the beer ship.
Okay.
I live right here, right down the road.
I got you. So you're slurring your words real bad. All right. You seem really confused about what's going on out here.
Yeah,
all right.
I
so
do.
I've got some questions about how much you might have had to drink tonight. Okay. I'm going to ask you to perform some sobriety tasks. All right.
For what reason?
Because I want to make sure that you're about to get in a car.
I'm not getting a car.
All right. I want to make sure that you're good to go and that you're not operating that vessel while you're intoxicated.
No one's
okay?
operating anything.
All right.
That's why I came home.
So I'm going to ask you one more time. All right. Come over to my truck, and I would ask you to perform some sobriety tasks.
I don't want to do a sobriety test.
Okay. Turn around, place your hands behind your back.
For what reason? I haven't done anything.
Boating under the influence.
I'm getting arrested now for boating under the influence.
Sir? Sir?
What? I didn't do anything.
Turn around.
What do you mean? I just showed up here. I'm not going against you or nothing.
Turn around, or you're going to get tased.
I'm not going to... For what reason?
You're under arrest for boating under the influence. Turn around.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Turn around.
I didn't...
Sir.
Babe, can you just...
Sir. Sir. All right.
Babe,
I asked you to perform sobriety tests.
I know, but you're grabbing me. I didn't ask
because I'm placing you under arrest.
For what?
I've already explained that. Turn around.
I didn't do anything wrong. I just
Sir, you're about to get tased. Stop.
For what reason?
Stop. Turn around. Place your hands behind your back.
For what reason?
I'm placing you under arrest.
What did I do wrong? What did I do? I didn't do anything. Babe, call my...
All right, place your hands behind your back. That's fine.
I didn't do anything. For what?
Hey, stop, stop. Place your hands behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back.
Place your hands behind your back.
I didn't do anything. What the fuck did I do?
Nothing. Like, absolutely nothing. Sir, can I get your number? He didn't do anything, right?
I didn't do anything. What the fuck did I do?
Nothing. Nothing. You didn't do anything wrong.
All right. Turn around.
Look, I'll sit up for you, man. I didn't do anything.
All right, we're going to stand up.
Man, I'm trying to go home.
All right, you ready?
Babe, can you come get my phone?
Yeah, I will. I got you.
Can she please come get my phone?
Yeah, that's fine, but we're going to stand up first, okay?
That's fine.
All right,
I'm
you ready?
My dad's diabetic and his phone's going off right now. Can you come get my phone?
We'll walk over there. We'll
I
pocket
know.
your phone in.
It's right here. My dad's diabetic. He's fucking got low blood sugar, man. You're freaking me out right now.
All right. We're going to walk over to my truck. Hey, ma'am, his sunglasses are over here.
Okay. Babe, what's your passcode?
1032 1013 1020.
10.
Okay, I'm going to call your dad. 1080, 10.
Yes. I'm not. I was in the Marine Corps. I'm not like. Can I unlock my phone so you can come, please?
I'm not letting you out of the cuffs right now.
That's fine. I'm not hostile. I'm not hostile.
I got you. Well,
I'm not.
You weren't following instructions back there, okay?
No. It's the way. I was just trying to ask you a question.
What is it?
Look, can I just... Look, you don't have to let me out the cuffs or anything.
You're good. I just don't want you to drop your phone.
Look, I respect you. I was in the Marine Corps for 10 years. I have no disrespect at all. At all, man.
He's not like that.
My truck is started. It's over there. I don't have no problem. None at all.
You want me to call your dad?
I don't need any of this in my life. I don't know what I did wrong.
I'm going to have you stand right over here, okay?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm fine, man. I literally live...
Face that way. I'm just checking your pockets, right?
You're fine, man. I literally live a half a mile down the road. I was having my dad... I was even going to call my dad to come here.
All right, just stay right there for me, okay?
You're fine. Can I lean up against your truck?
You absolutely can. Step over here. All right, I'm locking these so they don't get any tighter on you, okay?
No, that's fine.
All right, you're going to step up with your left foot. There you go.
Can I, like...
I'll let you talk. I'll let you talk to her. Man. All right. I'm not trying to give you a hard time.
I'm like, man, I was just coming. I didn't know what the.
I got you, man. You seem really confused about the situation. You're slurring your words.
I understand that, but I live. Look, I came back here to the dock up, and I was going to get myself back there, not under my will, but I pulled up and I have everything on the boat that I needed, and I show up, and then all of a sudden I feel like I'm coming out. Like I live here.
I got you,
like,
man. I understand that. Okay.
Like
hey,
I haven't done nothing wrong.
From what I've seen, you're operating a vessel while you're impaired. Okay. I asked you twice to come over here, and
I did, but you were very forceful to me.
You stated no, that you didn't want to do it. I asked
For what
asked
reason?
you twice to assuage my belief that you are operating this vessel while intoxicated. Okay. All right. I'm going to shut this. I'll be right back. I'm going to turn the AC up a little bit because it gets stuffy in here. All right.
Fine. I was in a wreck for.
I'm sure we've been in some of the same sand, man. So do me a favor. Swing your feet out this way. All right. We're going to walk over here. And they're just going to look at the spot that I stunned you at, okay? All right.
Wait for a transport unit.
I can transport. So I can transport. Nobody.
Okay.
I didn't know they were even calling you guys, but
you didn't?
No, but it was just a drive stun.
Oh, okay. Alright. Yeah, I wonder why they called us.
Can you hold that for me?
Yeah, absolutely. He's going to transport him. Dry stun. Okay. You transport him? Yeah. We get that stuff. We'll do the vitals on him and all that stuff. Okay. Yeah. Get out of your hair.
Nobody's going to the hospital. He's going on the road. Yeah, like I said, I'm not even sure why. I didn't even know dispatch called you guys.
We can do that too. Alright, well, let's get the
Okay.
3225, 1013, 1020. No more.
Get back over. You have his phone still, right? Yep. Do you know where Orient Road's at?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, it'll be a minimum of 8-hour hold.
13, 1020.
Did you search him already?
Yeah, I'll do. Yeah, I did once. I got to do probably more thorough. I mean, he's wearing swim trunks, so.
Do you want me to take pictures of the boat or anything?
Yeah, if you want. I mean, the guy was like, oh, sorry.
Covert off. Mute off. Covert off. Mark.